In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in MailerLite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up MailerLite. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're all set and logged in, you'll be directed to the MailerLite dashboard. What you want to do next is look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a menu. Here you'll click on Campaigns. Now that you're on the Campaigns page, you're almost ready to start creating your masterpiece. Look for a button that says Create and give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, you'll select Regular Campaign. After you make that choice, you'll have options to start from a template or create your email from scratch. I recommend starting from scratch for a more personalized touch, and that will bring you to the drag-and-drop editor. This editor is incredibly user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to email design. Once you're in the editor, you'll see various blocks and options on the sidebar. You can drag these blocks over to your email canvas to build your message however you prefer. Whether you want to add images, text, buttons, or even social media links, it's all at your fingertips. Take your time to design and lay out your email in a way that aligns with your brand. You might want to think about your color scheme, fonts, and overall style. It's pretty important that your email reflects your brand identity and engages your subscribers. After you've put together a design that you love, look for the button that says Done Editing. Give that a click to save your progress and move on to the next steps. Now comes the crucial part where you need to enter some important details for your campaign. You'll see fields where you can fill in your campaign name. Make this something recognizable. Then, write a captivating subject line that encourages your subscribers to open your email. Don't forget about the sender name and sender email. The sender name will be what your subscribers see, so make sure it's familiar and trustworthy. And, of course, input the sender email, ensuring it's a valid one so people can reply if they wish. There's also a field for a pre-header text. This is like a teaser that gives a little more context and can really help increase open rates. Take some time to craft this text to entice your audience to read further. Next, you'll want to select your subscriber group. This is essential because you want to ensure your email is reaching the right people. Once you've made that selection, take a moment to review your entire campaign. Check your design, make sure all your links work properly, and proofread your text. If you're feeling uncertain about anything, don't hesitate to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to see how it looks in a real inbox. Finally, when you're satisfied and everything looks just right, you'll be ready to send your email campaign out into the world. You have two options here. You can either choose Send Now to launch your campaign immediately, or Schedule if you'd prefer to send it at a particular date and time. Scheduling can be very helpful if you want your email to reach your audience during peak engagement times. And that's it! You've successfully created an email campaign in MailerLite. Now keep an eye on your campaign performance. Track opens, clicks, and other metrics to see how well your email is doing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's something specific you want to learn next. Happy emailing!